Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. In a world embraced by nature's grace, Motivation at Hand paves the way. With ancient wisdom, a timeless trace, 21st century's tech, a brighter day. Through desert sands and forest floors, they restore the earth, its wonders reclaim. With healing touch, the planet restores, sustainable futures, they ardently aim. With each verse sung by wind and stream, Ma dances in harmony, ancient and new, reviving ecosystems like a vibrant dream. A symphony of nature, their mission true. In unity, they bridge the ages apart, blending tradition and innovation's fire. Motivation at hand with our guiding hearts, restoring our Mother Earth, our eternal desire. Restoring the desert through the strategic movement of grazing animals and planting desert plants can be an effective approach to revitalizing the soil and promoting food production. This method, known as holistic grazing or managed intensive rotational grazing, has gained attention as a sustainable and regenerative land management practice. The concept revolves around mimicking the natural grazing patterns of large herbivores that once roamed these regions. By utilizing solar-powered or battery-operated electric fencing, livestock can be strategically moved across the land in a controlled manner. This ensures that they graze intensively in one area for a short period and then move on, allowing the land to rest and regenerate. 7 Utilities of Restoration to Mother Earth, Gaia, how the process works. 1. Grazing animals, livestock, such as cattle, sheep, or goats, are carefully managed to prevent overgrazing. The animals are moved in a rotational pattern, consuming the vegetation while also trampling and manuring the soil. This activity aerates the soil, adds organic matter, and stimulates the growth of new plants. 2. Rest and regeneration. Once the animals have grazed an area, they are moved to the next section, allowing the previously grazed land to recover. During this rest period, the soil rebuilds its nutrient content, and native plant species have the opportunity to re-establish themselves. 3. Desert planting. In parallel with managed grazing, desert plants can be strategically introduced to enhance the restoration process. These plants are selected based on their ability to thrive in arid environments, with features like deep root systems to access water reserves, efficient water utilization, and tolerance to extreme temperatures. The combination of grazing animals and desert plants contributes to several positive outcomes. 4. Soil restoration. The movement of grazing animals helps break up compacted soil, improve water infiltration, and enhance nutrient cycling. Their manure acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil with organic matter and vital nutrients. 5. Ecosystem regeneration. As the land is given time to rest and recover, native plant species can regenerate. This leads to increased biodiversity, the creation of habitats for wildlife, and the restoration of ecological balance. 6. Water conservation. Well-established desert plants can effectively capture and retain water, reducing soil erosion and preventing excessive water loss through evaporation. This promotes efficient water use and contributes to the overall health of the ecosystem. 7. Food production. Over time, restored desert areas can potentially support sustainable agriculture or agroforestry practices. By selecting appropriate crops and using efficient irrigation techniques, food production can be enhanced, providing sustenance for local communities. It's important to note that the success of desert restoration efforts depends on various factors, including climate conditions, soil composition, and proper management practices. The involvement and cooperation of local communities, landowners, and relevant stakeholders are also crucial for long-term success. Restoring desert areas through managed grazing and planting desert-adapted vegetation offers a promising approach to rejuvenate degraded lands, enhance ecosystem resilience, and provide food security in arid regions. 10 Careers within the industries related to land restoration, sustainable agriculture, and environmental conservation. 1. Conservation scientist, conducts research on land and ecosystem management, develops conservation plans, and implements strategies for sustainable land use. 2. Agroecologist, studies the interactions between agriculture and ecosystems, develops sustainable farming practices, and promotes ecological balance in food production. 3. Restoration ecologist, focuses on restoring degraded ecosystems, such as deserts or wetlands, through the implementation of ecological restoration projects and monitoring their progress. 4. Sustainable agriculture specialist, provides guidance and expertise on sustainable farming practices, including organic farming, agroforestry, and regenerative agriculture. 5. Soil scientist, studies soil composition, fertility, and health, and develops strategies for soil conservation, erosion control, and soil restoration. 6. Range manager, manages and oversees grazing lands, implements sustainable grazing plans, monitors rangeland health, and develops strategies for sustainable livestock management. 7. Forester, manages forests sustainably, conducts forest inventories, develops forest management plans, and promotes biodiversity conservation. 8. Agribusiness manager, focuses on the business side of sustainable agriculture, including managing farming operations, implementing sustainable supply chains, and promoting environmentally conscious practices. 9. Environmental educator, educates and raises awareness about sustainable land management, conservation, and the importance of biodiversity through teaching, outreach programs, and community engagement. 10. Sustainable land use planner, works with communities, organizations, and government agencies to develop land use plans that promote sustainable development, conservation, and ecological restoration. These careers represent a range of opportunities within the broader field of land restoration, sustainable agriculture, and environmental conservation. Depending on your specific interests and qualifications, there are many other roles and specializations available in these industries as well. 10 ways to prepare for a career related to land restoration, sustainable agriculture, and environmental conservation. 1. Gain relevant education, pursue a degree or diploma in fields such as environmental science, ecology, agronomy, forestry, or sustainable agriculture. This provides a strong foundation of knowledge in the subject matter. 2. Seek practical experience, look for internships, volunteer opportunities, or entry-level positions with organizations involved in land restoration, sustainable agriculture, or environmental conservation. Practical experience will enhance your skills and understanding of the industry. 3. Build a network, attend conferences, workshops, and events related to these industries to connect with professionals and experts. Join relevant organizations and engage in online communities to expand your network. 4. Acquire field skills, develop practical skills such as plant identification, soil sampling, data collection, GIS mapping, and ecological monitoring. These skills are valuable for conducting fieldwork and research. 5. Stay informed, keep up with the latest research, trends, and advancements in land restoration, sustainable agriculture, and environmental conservation. Read scientific papers, industry publications, and follow reputable sources in the field. 6. Develop technical skills, familiarize yourself with relevant tools, technologies, and software commonly used in these industries, such as geographic information systems, GIS, remote sensing, and data analysis software. 7. Embrace continuous learning, seek opportunities for professional development, attend workshops, webinars, and training programs to enhance your knowledge and skills in specific areas of interest. 8. Cultivate communication skills, effective communication is crucial in these fields. Work on developing strong written and verbal communication skills, as you may need to write reports, give presentations, and engage in outreach and education efforts. 9. Foster a multidisciplinary approach, recognize the interconnectedness of environmental issues. Learn about related fields such as sustainable development, climate change, biodiversity conservation, and social sciences to gain a broader understanding of the challenges and potential solutions. 10. Stay passionate and committed, Careers in land restoration, sustainable agriculture, and environmental conservation require dedication and perseverance. Stay passionate about your goals and maintain a long-term commitment to making a positive impact on the environment. By following these steps, you can better prepare yourself for a career in these industries and increase your chances of success. Remember to adapt and refine your approach based on your specific interests and career goals. In conclusion, Motivation at Hand, MAH, stands as a pioneering organization committed to the restoration of our planet. By harmoniously blending 21st century technology with ancient techniques, MA strives to revitalize ecosystems, safeguard biodiversity, and cultivate a sustainable bond between humanity and nature. Through the integration of state-of-the-art tools like remote sensing and artificial intelligence alongside the wisdom of agroecology, permaculture, and indigenous knowledge, MA charts a transformative course towards the healing of our Earth. With a resolute mission to unify tradition and innovation, MA leads the charge in environmental restoration, offering a beacon of hope for a future brimming with prosperity and regeneration. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.